Mike, it's a fascinating company you've got here. We're here in the machine shop because we're here to talk about some machinery today, the Hurco lathe you've just bought. But you guys do loads of different things, don't you? What are they?
Yeah, we predominantly specialise in precise, complex components of small batches, anything from 1 of to 50 of. That can range in a variety of materials, ferrous, non-ferrous, engineering steels, plastics, you name it.
Yeah, and there's a lot of different customers. There's a fabrication shop as well that needs components. There's other customers that need components that you send direct to them as well. There's a lot of demands on your time and the operators here.
Yeah, correct. Varlowe, as the slogan says, specialists in service. They want quick lead times, our customers, days, even sometimes same day. We need machine tools to be able to react to that, that lead time.
Yeah, absolutely. Looking around the shop, it's no secret that you're a big Hurco fan. How does the Hurco machine and how does this lathe as well, the Hurco turning centers, how do they meet that requirement?
So we need a machine that's adaptable, flexible, versatile, to enable to put parts through the system as quickly as possible to increase efficiencies across the business. So we need to be able to supply parts to our fabrication facility to enable them to continue with their workflow, their demand.
And what is it exactly about these Hurco machines that allow you to be flexible, to get those components turned around sometimes same day, which is a very difficult thing to do?
The common feature across all our machine tools is to have the machine hold as many tools as possible, to be able to change between operations, to be able to change between tools quickly, efficiency, to be able to put parts through the machine quicker. In particular with Hurco, is that the software is so user-friendly, it enables us to program at the machine very quickly.
Yeah, perfect. And we're going to talk right now about exactly this machine in front of the TM10Mi. This is your newest investment. And it's a little bit different to the rest of the standardized range of lathes you've got here. Why is this different?
Yeah, this machine in particular has got the additional sort of feature of an additional axis, but not quite an axis. It allows us to put flats onto components. It allows us to put keyways into shafts on the center line, which means that ultimately we don't have to take the part off the machine and put it onto a milling machine to be able to do those operations. Again, increasing efficiencies, allowing us to get parts out the door quicker to our ever-demanding customer.
Absolutely. We can see the example right here is this component's got some flats on it, and you're making flats on this lathe without any extra axes required.
Yeah, correct.
And this part in particular that's on it right now is using this new feature. What's the part for?
So the part is actually for the food industry. It's for a customer, Mondelez Cadbury. It is a motor mount adapter plate.
There you go, a machine shop full of Hurcos making some delicious components.